Hi guys, today we're gonna replace the Earth with other planets and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, first we should start with Mercury. We're gonna go in order. Okay, what happens if Mercury and Earth switch places? Ignore the moon because the moon's just a side. It wouldn't be able to have Mercury wouldn't be able to have life, and Earth will be too hot to establish life. So Earth will just be burnt to death. So Earth would rather stay in its orbit. So temperatures will enter a new global warming, and the global warming will just keep getting hotter and hotter every second. Right now it's winter and nothing seems to be happening. Although temperatures are entering record highs. Temperatures are just getting hotter and hotter. Temperatures are just getting hotter and hotter, and it seems like the snow is still buff. Yeah, it's still buff for now. Everything's getting skinny, man. The snow is going away. Everything else is pretty much. I don't think Earth is having a good time. There's not as many snow in places. No more snow in China, but there's a loss of snow in Antarctica and loss of snow in Greenland. What is going on? Temperatures are still cold, and our max temperature is getting almost to like a very hot temperature. Some of the hottest temperatures are in North America. The coldest temperatures are probably upper. So right now the hottest is in Africa. So Africa can reach a record high. Right now all of the grass seems to be gone, and as we go further into the future, everything just keeps getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. As water's beginning to melt. Water is gonna begin being melting. As the water melts, there's only a few hope left, as almost the whole part of Siberia is still normal. It's still very cold in the places of Siberia and lower South America, and it's doing waves. And the most of the green land is entering between. As we're reaching Venus temperature, the water is still melting, and we don't even have a single change. Water it just keeps getting hotter and colder, so water is just going away. So the Earth is gonna burn. Yeah, it's gonna burn, but not like that. Okay, I made it explode. Okay, let's go to the next planet. Next planet's gonna be. Let's see what would happen. Venus will lose some heat, but it's still uninhabitable because its Goldilocks zone is like between Jupiter and Ceres' orbit. As Earth will be still hot, but as it reduces, Earth will be in a more perfect Goldilocks zone. As the Earth touches the tip of the Goldilocks zone, seasons will be more harshy. So summer will be more harshy, and not as big of a snowstorm would happen. As you can see, not as really much changes, but there's still buff winters. Yeah, the winters are not so extreme. Water's growing in some areas. That's kind of strange. And grass is just gone in Africa. That's kind of strange. North America, South America, we're losing grass. What is going on? Oh, it actually touched the edge of it. Jeez. So it's just getting hotter and colder. Yep, sure it's doing a wave. So the coldest is probably in this place, and we're this place. So Greenland tops, so we're safe. There. Now let's do the outer planets now. Okay, well, okay, let's replace Mars with Earth. Since Mars doesn't have a big atmosphere, not really of a big atmosphere. Mars will still be too cold, but it'll be in a it'll be like in the tip of the Earth's Goldilocks zone, as the Earth will be very cold to these temperatures. So over time, the Earth would freeze. So over time, the Earth's winter will get just buffer and buffer, basically buff. Now, as you can see, the winters are still buff in some places, and as everything is still fine. Nothing bad has happened, and everything's just a normal winter that happens. And now, time is speeding up, and everything's getting more colder. It's just getting colder. It's just getting colder and colder and colder. Does anyone tell me why is everything getting colder and colder? Everything just freeze to death. It's a new ice age. Now let's do Sedna's orbit. No, Pluto's orbit. No, Maki Maki's orbit. Maki Maki. You can't see anything in Eries' orbit, so that's why I'm gonna do Maki Maki, because you can still see things in Maki Maki. Earth will have a very harshy time if it orbited this far away from the sun. Okay, let's go add Maki Maki. Maki. Okay, Maki Maki now has that orbit, and let's see what's happening to Earth. Earth is very low sunlight, but we're gonna change that. Look, it's just a normal Earth day for the Earth. Now let's see what's happening now. Earth's buff winters are skyrocketing. There's not really much of a change happening right now. Okay. Okay, everything just froze. Okay, guys, end of the video. I have to go. Goodbye.